Hi, my dinos! Thanks for joining me for another Numbers with Kitty Cat. I'm Kitty Cat. I wanted to say that since you've been joining me, it makes me so happy. And you guys are more than just dinos. You're mega dinos. I'm so proud of you. Just remember, there's a link provided below to print out the worksheet. Okay, let's start. First, let's write your names. By the way, your letters are getting so terrific. So proud of my dinos. Now that we're done, let's read the directions. It says, color the numbers that are similar. Let's read it one more time. Color the numbers that are similar. The number today is 2. Let's find all the 2s. Is this a 2? Nope, that's a 9. How about this one? Great job, dinos! Grab any color crayon and color in the number 2. Now that we're done, let's keep going. Is this a 2? No, that's the 1. How about this one? Great job, dinos! Grab your favorite color crayon and color the number 2. Okay, are you ready to move on? Okay, let's go. Is this a 2? Nope, that's a 1. How about this one? Nope, that's a 6. Great job, dinos. How about this one? Good job, that's a 2. Grab your favorite color crayon, dinos, and color in the number 2. My mega dinos are doing so great. Let's keep going. Is this a 2? Nope, that's a 1. Is this a 2? Great job, dinos! Grab your favorite color crayon and color the 2. Okay, dinos, let's keep going. Is this one a 2? No, that's a 5. And this a 2? Great job! Grab any color crayon and color the number 2. Okay, let's keep going. Is this a 2? Nope. Is this one? Nope, that's a 1. And this one? Nope, that's a 7. How about this one? Nope, that's an 8. How about this one? Great job, dinos! You're too smart. Grab your favorite color crayon and let's color that number 2, dinos. You're becoming a superstar if I knew the number 2, dinos. Let's keep going. Is this a 2? Nope, that's a 9. And this one? Nope, that's a 6. This one? Nope, that's a 3. How about this one? Great job, dinos! It blows my mind how smart my dinos are. You're more than mega dinos. You're the smartest mega dinos in the world. I'm so proud of my dinos. We're almost done, dinos. Are you ready for the next step? Now that we're done coloring the number 2, let's read. It says, how many numbers did you color? One more time. How many numbers did you color? Let's count all the 2s we colored. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's count one more time. Can you help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We color 7 twos. Now let's grab any color crayon and write the number 7. Great job, dinos! We finished our worksheet. But let's color in the last big 2. Any color you like. I'm going to color the number 2 orange. Can anyone tell me a fruit that is the color orange? I bet you'll never guess it. What is it? Oh, great job! I thought I could trick you. It's orange! Man, dinos, you really are mega dinos. Whoa, check out all the number 2s. I heard there was some mega dinos here today, and I really think you're mega great.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!